Okay, we're going to be installing a new tire here on my riding buddy's wheel. He got a flat tire last time we went out. I have the nail. You know, I kept that nail.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I have it here somewhere. But anyway, we plugged it, and a long story, the compressor broke, but we had enough air to drive to an air pump down the street at a Sheetz gas station. But anyway, I'm using my pretty much useless Harbor Freight bead breaker tire machine. I won't go into how useless this thing is unless you have it set in concrete or welded to a big steel plate that you can stand on. And even then, it's Neanderthal. It'll scratch the hell out of your wheels.
I'm over here.
So anyway, we're using the Harbor Freight. And something I want to point out about them, I thought that the bead breaker was useful. Look how these bars have bent from trying to break down the bead on my granddaughter's quad wheel tire. We couldn't get it broke. But anyway, break this bead, Jerry. We have it set there. We have the wheel spaced up. Oh, okay, it's broke already. Now, I'll hold this up, rotate the tire to break it all the way around, and then, okay, that's enough. We have it spaced up so we don't get
Hitting the ground now for some reason.
yeah. You have to move the whole mass out towards your right foot about 3 inches. There you go. Okay, position that right where it has to go. Okay. Okay, now do your stuff. Here, I'll hold the wheel, you hold this. Go ahead, now do it again. Okay. Now, see if you can push that all the way around. I got this. Just step on it. Yeah, okay, it's broke completely. Now you got to flip it over. Position those spacers a little better. Okay, the tire right here. There you go. Let me stand up. Go ahead. These bead breakers, if you use your 20% off coupon that they used to give out, I don't know if they do that anymore, but you get it for around $50, and it's worth it, because the last time we put a front tire on Jerry's bike, he stopped at the local hog shop. How much did they want to break the bead? $85?
I can't remember. 65 something. Like
It was something like $65 or $85 just to break the bead. We're done with this machine. Okay, I would set it in here with the disc down, since that's smaller. I was hoping to use my portable bead breaking tool, but that tire was just too wide to get this around. It was just like a ½ an inch too wide to get this around the bead, and then crank the spreader, which opens this gap, which it's all fully open now, and then pinches right here and breaks the tire off the bead. All right, let me get some rubber lube and some tire irons and some rim protectors. I'll get that in the next video.